Welcome back, boys and girls. I hate how every YouTuber does that. Today we got a comparison, some random cameras I got. Starting off with the GoPro Hero 3. Max settings on the old girl, 1080p, 25 frames per second. It's not great, but it's not the worst. Colours are a bit weird. Things this camera does have going for itself. It's pretty small, it's pretty light. It has an app on my phone to connect. It cost me $50 from the local pawn shop. Downside, there was some questionable pictures of the previous owner still on that camera. Still quite shook about it. This is all raw footage, by the way. Tried not to edit it much at all. A lot of the footage you've seen on my channel has been from this camera, just because it's reliable. Next up, the KAISER BAAS X150. Got a keen eye, you'll see I was attacked by some birds there, but I survived it. Now, this camera crashed a few times, filming in 2.7K. And you'll notice it's only 15 frames per second. And the field of view is quite narrow as well. It's a bit overexposed. I just had it running on auto. Very narrow field of view actually. Can't see a whole lot. Pretty sure this company's now defunct. Can't find much about them. I think the camera cost me a couple of $100 from JB Hi-Fi back in the day. And swapped over to the 1080p, 60 frames per second. A lot better image, a lot wider field of view. Sounds a little bit muffled for some reason, not sure why. But I've never had the camera crash in this setting. And I think this looks a little bit better than the old GoPro as well. And 60 frames per second you can slow it down. Boys and girls, here is the main event. DJI Osmo Action 3, shooting in 4K 120 frames per second. Quite a wide field of view, which is great. I'm absolutely in love with this camera. Although some downsides to it. It's pretty heavy. I do notice it on the end of my helmet. And shooting in 4K is quite a toll on the old computer. Somebody wants to gift me a new computer, that'd be great. The old iMac is it's not quite up to the task. Let me know in the comments what you think, what your favourite camera has been so far. And if you could like and subscribe, it'd really make my day. Thought I'd add that I paid for all these cameras my own hard-earned money. This is not a paid review. I can't imagine that anyone would actually pay me to review these cameras. Of course, being 120 frames per second, you can halve it. You can half the speed. Slow motion. And you can do it again. That's amazing. It's also got horizon balancing, which I like. It does narrow the field of view a bit though. Pick your moments when you want to use that one. If you like seeing videos of my Postie as well, let me know and I'll get her out of the garage more often. I almost forgot! Last camera. Literally no way to attach it to anything really. I've tried. I can tape it to stuff. I don't even know what it records at, but this is how we're doing it, guys. Now, I'm pretty sure I got this from Big W very, very long time ago. Maybe $10. I think it's 720p. Doesn't really have a whole lot going for it. Doesn't attach to anything other than a tripod. No app. You can't really tell when it is recording or it isn't recording either. It's pot luck. I could really do that with any of them, mate. Let me know down in the comments what you think I should do with this camera. Should I just put it in the bin? Should I blow it up? Should I throw it off a cliff? But it just goes to show you don't need fancy stuff to make videos. You do need fancy stuff to make nice videos. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. Catch us in the next one. Peace out.